Did you know YouTube is the second largest search engine? Imagine the potential for your brand's visibility and engagement.
This presenter isn't real. I made this entire video in about 11 minutes. No camera, no microphone. This is Synthesia AI, which allows you to create professional business presentation videos with realistic AI avatars and voiceovers. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create videos like this using Synthesia AI, from creating your personal avatar to generating your final video. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. First, let's create and customize our avatar. Select avatars from the left-hand menu and click Customize. As you can see, there are plenty of avatars to choose from here. You can adjust clothing, accessories, and overall appearance to better match your personal style or brand. I'm going to go with Daniel for this tutorial. Now let's give him a different look. So for the outfit prompt, I'm writing a black-colored fitted button-down shirt paired with slim-fit Korean-style black trousers. And if you want a very specific shade, don't forget to include the color code as well. For example, I'm using this to make sure the outfit stays pure black. Once you've entered the prompt, tap on this icon and let Synthesia create the outfit. And as you can see, the outfit came out exactly how we wanted. The shirt and trousers are both pure black, and overall, it gives the avatar a clean and professional look. Now, to complete the appearance, I'm also adding white rectangular office eyeglasses. Alright, the new version is ready. And as you can see, the glasses are now white, but Synthesia also changed the shirt color to white. This happened because of the color code we added in the eyeglasses prompt. So if you want to keep the same black shirt, you can simply remove the color code and generate it again. But honestly, I'm going to keep this version because I think it looks even better than the previous one. Once you're happy with the result, your avatar is ready to use. Now let's take things a step further. Instead of using a pre-made avatar, you can actually create a digital version of yourself. So click on Personal Avatar and then select Create. Before you start recording, Synthesia will show you a few guidelines. Make sure you're in a quiet environment. Keep your face fully visible. Keep the background clean and uncluttered, and smile naturally while recording. Once you're ready, click Next. Now you have two options. You can either record yourself directly using your webcam or upload an existing video. I'm going to upload my own pre-recorded video. Just make sure the video is between 1 and 5 minutes long. Another thing I like here is the language support. Synthesia supports more than 30 languages including English, Hindi, Spanish, and French. Simply choose your preferred language and click Next. The final step is providing consent. You'll see a short consent script on the screen. Just read it aloud exactly as instructed. Once you've finished, tick the consent checkbox and submit your recording. Now comes the waiting part. Synthesia needs up to 1 business day to process everything and create your personal avatar. Once it's ready, you'll receive an email notification letting you know your avatar is available.
Hi, I'm Irfan, and I was created using Synthesia AI. I may look human, I may sound real, but I'm powered by artificial intelligence.
And as you can see, that's me talking on screen. Even though I didn't record any of this, the facial expressions look natural, the lip sync is almost accurate, and overall, it feels like a digital version of myself. Alright, now that our avatar is ready, let's create a video. Head back to the home page. You'll notice several different ways to create content. For this tutorial, we're going to use the AI Video Assistant because it's the fastest option. For this example, I'm going to create a pitch deck for my company, Dominating YouTube, which provides YouTube marketing services. So I'll just enter a prompt explaining what I want the presentation to cover. Once you've entered your prompt, choose a template. Take a few moments to browse through them and select one that matches your style. Next, choose your video length. I'll set mine to 2 minutes. Now you'll see several optional settings, and honestly, I highly recommend filling these out. The more context you provide, the better the final output usually becomes. So for the objective, I'm going to write, to quickly convince coaches and consultants that your service is worth their time and money. Since I'm creating a pitch deck for my YouTube marketing company, This aligns perfectly with what I'm trying to achieve. For the audience, I'll enter coaches and consultants. The language will be English. For speaker, you can add details about the presenter, so Synthesia knows how they should come across. And for tone, you can make it professional, educational, friendly, persuasive, or anything else that fits your style. For this example, I'm going to use friendly. Once everything is filled out, click Create Outline. Take a few minutes to go through everything. And if there's anything you don't like, you can simply click on the text and edit it. If you want to add another section, just click Add Chapter. Or if there's a chapter you don't need, simply click the trash icon and remove it. Once you're happy with everything, click Create Video. After a short wait, Synthesia automatically generates all the scenes. Now before exporting, let's customize the video. Click Continue in Editor. The first thing I'm going to do is replace the default avatar. Click inside the preview window, open the avatar menu, and select your personal avatar. You can apply it only to the current scene or click Change All to update every scene instantly. You also have multiple display options. You can show the avatar in full screen, use a circular frame, or place it inside a box layout. Simply drag and resize it however you'd like. One thing worth noting is that personal avatars don't support background replacement like ready-made avatars. Next, let's change the voice. Hover over the avatar below the preview window and click the drop-down menu. Here, you can choose your cloned voice or browse Synthesia's built-in voices. Preview different options and select the one you prefer. The changes happen instantly. Now let's customize the design. Most templates use shapes throughout the design. Just click one of those shapes, open the fill color settings, choose a color or paste your hex code, then click Change All. Synthesia automatically updates every matching element throughout the project. Next, let's add a logo. Click the existing logo placeholder, select Replace Image, then choose Upload Media. Upload your logo file and position it wherever you'd like. Now let's edit some text. Simply click any text box. On the right side, you'll find options for font, color, and size. You can manually adjust everything or just drag the text box directly. And if you need additional text, click the text icon and start typing. You can also add captions to your video. Click Captions from the top menu. You'll see several styles available. You can display one word at a time, one phrase at a time, or one sentence at a time. You can also customize fonts, colors, and animations. Under Motion Settings, hover over the animations to preview them. And if captions don't fit your style, simply delete them. Now let's replace some stock footage. Suppose you don't like a particular background video, select the scene, click the preview, and choose Replace Video. You'll get access to Getty stock footage directly inside Synthesia. And what's really nice is that Synthesia often recommends videos based on your script automatically. Simply select a video you like and replace it. Then preview the scene to make sure everything looks right. Synthesia also lets you add scene transitions to make the video flow more smoothly between scenes. Just select a scene, enable scene transition, choose the effect you like, and if you want, click Change All to apply it throughout the project. You can also add background music. Once you're happy with everything, it's time to export your video. Click Generate and Synthesia will start rendering your video. And here it is.
Did you know YouTube is the second largest search engine? Imagine the potential for your brand's visibility and engagement.
Before we wrap up, let's quickly look at the pricing. Synthesia offers a free plan where you can get up to 10 minutes of video generation per month along with access to a selection of AI avatars. If you want to create personal avatars like we did in this tutorial, you'll need the starter plan at $19 per month. The best part? You also get the pricing in your local currency. So overall, I think Synthesia does a really good job of making video creation fast and accessible. The avatars look realistic, the voice cloning works surprisingly well, and there's enough customization available to make the videos feel unique rather than generic. So check out Synthesia using the discount link in the description below and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, check out this video next.